Just like that. All right, here in Pontresina, Switzerland, at the Engadin, testing out SkateX binding system. So far, it skis about the same, except more control. The pivot point is more rearward. Is it noticeable? I don't know, maybe just a little bit. Control on the downhills and more edge control. So my impressions of the SkateX are very favorable. This bumper doesn't do much. I tried to do a telemark turn, ended right on my butt because you don't meet this resistance until you get almost knee to ski. You can adapt to that. But otherwise, it's amazing. They're easy to step in and out of, easy ingress, easy egress. The binding doesn't ice up like the N does. It's a lot of edge control because you're out here instead of in here with the binding. Versus compare this binding here, what most people are on, to how wide this is here and how stiff that bar is. Yeah, really good. I think I'll be adding these to my